Multilogin is a powerful anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll walk you through creating New Zealand-based profiles using built-in proxies, pre-warmed cookies, and reusable proxy templates. First, open your Multilogin dashboard. To set up a new browser profile, click Create. Give your profile a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Use pre-made cookies for your target platform to create an authentic browser session. Choose built-in proxies, then decide whether to use mobile or residential type of connection. From here, pick New Zealand as your proxy location. You can narrow it down further to a specific city if needed. Run a proxy check to confirm the connection is active. Once the check passes, move ahead with the profile setup. Keep everything organized by adding tags and notes for reference. If necessary, adjust advanced settings such as fingerprinting, time zone, or WebRTC. Use cloud storage to make your profiles available on multiple devices. This is particularly useful for teams. Save your profile to finish setup. Your profile is now ready to launch. For recurring use, create a proxy template that you can apply to future profiles. Click Create to add a new template with your preferred settings. Configure the details and save. The template will be available next time you create a profile. Now return to your profiles list. To save time, you can also use AI quick actions to generate multiple profiles at once. Another scaling option is profile cloning. Select your profile and click Clone to duplicate its setup. Enter the number of profiles you want to clone, and they'll be created instantly. You now have multiple ready-to-use profiles with the same settings, each running in a separate, isolated browser session. Select your new profile and click Start. After the browser opens, check your IP and location, then access your target platform to log in or create accounts from New Zealand. Thanks for watching. Visit our website and YouTube channel to explore more guides. Sign up today and begin managing your accounts using New Zealand proxies.